guys, welcome back to our channel. So today it's going to be kind of a junk food or healthy one. So we are going to make a meat variety. Yes, it's chicken. So today we are going to spice up your taste buds. So we are going to make our chicken in different style, adding our spices and lemon and pepper. So which it spices up our chicken and it will tempt your taste buds. So I'm so excited. Let's get into the video. Take 500 grams of chicken and add it to a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper. One teaspoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can squeeze it. And then now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of curd. And you have to mix it. So we are going to marinate this mixture. So you have to let it to marinate for like 1 hour. And then you have to get ready with your pan. You have to add oil. And add 1 tablespoon of butter. And then 3 cardamom. Add 3 cloves. And add 2 cinnamon. Now add 10 peppercorns and you have to fry it for a while. And then now we are going to add the marinated chicken to the oil. So we are going to fry it for like 1 minute on high flame. And then you have to turn it to the next side and make sure it's fully fried because it shouldn't be raw. So once it's all done, so it's time for us to add the rest of the marinated mixture because it will taste really good. So make sure the chicken is fried. First you have to start it high and now you have to make it to medium flame. Add 4 tablespoons of curd and you can spice up it with pepper and green chilies. coriander leaves. So it's all over. Chicken is ready. So it's time to taste. Finally, we are done with the recipe and it turned out really good. So I know most of y'all must be waiting for it. So y'all can start doing it and let us know how it turned out, because we are so eagerly waiting to see how it turned out. And don't forget to comment your favorite dish and we are ready to do it for you at any time. So this is over, so we are going to wrap up the session, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. See you on next video with another healthy or junk food. Until then, bye bye.